Prime Minister speaking. Let's listen in.
विश्वास दिलाता हूं, सरकार हर कदम पर आपके साथ खड़ी है। फ्रेंड्स, भारत स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी को साइंटिफिक एक्सप्लोरेशन के साथ ही ईज ऑफ लिविंग का भी माध्यम मानता है। आज स्पेस टेक भारत में गवर्नेंस का भी हिस्सा बन रहा है। फसल बीमा योजना में सैटेलाइट बेस्ड आकलन हो, मछुआरों को सैटेलाइट से मिल रही जानकारी और सुरक्षा हो, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट हो या पीएम गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान में जियो स्पेशियल डेटा का इस्तेमाल हो। आज स्पेस में भारत की प्रगति सामान्य नागरिकों का जीवन आसान बना रही है। इसी दिशा में केंद्र और राज्यों में स्पेस टेक का इस्तेमाल बढ़ाने के लिए कल नेशनल मीट 2.0 का आयोजन भी हुआ है। मैं चाहूंगा ऐसे प्रयास आगे भी चलते रहें। हमारे स्पेस स्टार्टअप भी नागरिकों की सेवा के लिए नए सॉल्यूशंस दे, नए इनोवेशंस करे। मुझे विश्वास है आने वाले समय में अंतरिक्ष में भारत की यात्रा नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएगी। इसी विश्वास के साथ आप सभी को एक बार फिर नेशनल स्पेस डे की बहुत बहुत बधाई। धन्यवाद।
That was an inspiring. All right, that was our Prime Minister Narendra Modi giving greetings on the National Space Day. Remember, he is addressing this event on National Space Day, where Shubhanshu Shukla is also present with him on the stage. You also have ISRO Chief and Union Minister Jitendra Singh. Also have astronaut Prashant Nair on the stage. So all of them present with Prime Minister, where Prime Minister just addressed and gave out his greetings on the National Space Day. He also talked about the progress India has made in the space sector, while saying that India also hosted International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics very recently. He also mentioned that that very Olympiad is a symbol of India's emerging leadership in the space sector. He highlighted that how India has been making progress in the same, and also highlighted that how ISRO has of course played a crucial role in all of those achievements that have that of course India has claimed in the space sector. He also talked about that how India has achieved breakthroughs in certain technologies, including like semi-cryogenic engine and electric propulsion. He also talked about the Gaganyaan mission that's soon going to be launched by India.
Since the last Space Day in 2024, the country has witnessed new milestones in the space sector. During the period, more than 200 significant achievements have been accomplished. Prominent among them include...
So viewers, that's the story we're covering for you at this hour. Prime Minister Modi just addressed the nation on National Space Day. This is, he gave out greetings to the nation and also highlighted the kind of achievements India has been making in the space sector for over past few years. Now remember, on the stage were also present Shubhanshu Shukla, astronaut Prashant Nair and Union Minister Jitendra Singh as well. Remember, on National Space Day, Prime Minister Modi highlighted the kind of achievements we've made. He also spoke about International Olympiad on Astronomy. He mentioned that how Indian youth participated in that Olympiad and won about different medals. He also highlighted that Olympiad is a symbol of India's emerging leadership in the space sector, while mentioning other initiatives that have been taken by ISRO as well, such as Indian Space Hackathon and also Robotics Challenge. So very, very crucial initiatives being taken by ISRO, in fact, where you can have the youth of India participating in such endeavors. He also talked about that how India is making progress in breakthrough technologies such as semi-cryogenic engine And he also praised the hard work of all Indian scientists for all the achievements we've been able to make in the space sector, including the coming Gaganyaan mission as well. In fact, he said that creating new milestones, one after the other in the space sector, has now become the nature of India and Indian scientists. So again, praising all those who have been involved in the space sector in India.
Space sector capabilities aided by InSpace. Schemes such as the Seed Fund Scheme, PIE program, and pricing support have been rolled out by InSpace. Several enterprises have started working towards building and operating their own satellites and testing subsystems of their launch vehicles. InSpace has also successfully transferred technology of ISRO's small satellite launch vehicle to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The past year has also witnessed several laurels from the New Space India Limited, NSIL, the state-run public sector enterprise under the Department of Space. These include realization of the high-throughput satellite